Lakewood, when your sewer lines fail, chaos follows, from foul odors to soggy yards and backed up drains. Belmar Lake Plumbing brings high-energy sewer line repair and replacement service straight to your street with lightning-fast response and unmatched expertise. Our certified technicians attack every job with cutting-edge diagnostics, camera inspections, hydrojetting, and trenchless technology to pinpoint damage without tearing up your yard. Cracked pipes, tree root intrusion, collapsed lines. We deliver precise repairs or full replacements that restore flow and protect your property's foundation. Don't wait for a small leak to turn into a massive backup or costly water damage. Prevent emergencies and preserve your home's value. With proactive sewer solutions tailored for Lakewood's unique soil and climate, we work clean, communicate clearly, and respect your landscaping, leaving your property spotless. Imagine gutters flowing freely, sinks draining instantly, and no more hidden headaches beneath your feet. That's the peace of mind, Belmar Lake. Plumbing guarantees, rapid mobilization, transparent service, and lasting results. We use durable materials and industry-leading techniques to ensure your sewer system performs flawlessly for years. For homeowners and businesses across Lakewood, our sewer line repair and replacement service is the ultimate safeguard against disruptions. When you need speed, skill, and a local team that treats your home like its own, there's only one call to make. Trust Lakewood's sewer specialists. Call Belmar Lake Plumbing today and get your pipes running strong again.